Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered why some beetles have a voracious appetite for roses? And how they manage to thrive amidst the concrete of cities? Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to explore the mysteries of Macraspis cincta beetles and their fascinating relationship with urban flowers, especially roses. Beetles of the Macraspis cincta species exhibit distinctive morphology that makes them easily recognizable. With a size ranging from small to medium, these insects display a compact, rounded body with an external armor known as an exoskeleton, providing them with protection and resilience. One of the most striking features of Macraspis cincta beetles is their vibrant and eye-catching coloration. They typically showcase shades of metallic green or bluish green on their exoskeleton, adorned with spots or stripes of contrasting colors like yellow or red. This coloration not only makes them visually appealing but also plays an important role in camouflage and communication within their natural environment. Additionally, Macraspis cincta beetles possess relatively short and distinct antennae, which play a crucial role in odor detection and communication among individuals of the species. Their unique appearance and vibrant coloration make Macraspis cincta beetles a fascinating species to observe and study, both for entomologists and nature enthusiasts. These beetles are true jewels of urban biodiversity, adding a touch of beauty and mystery to city gardens and parks. Macraspis cincta beetles are known for their remarkable preference for feeding on rose petals. Their sharp and adapted mandibles allow them to feast on the soft tissues of flowers, leaving behind characteristic marks of their presence in gardens. This specific feeding habit is not merely a random choice. Roses, with their fragrance and vibrant colors, provide a rich source of nutrients for these beetles. Furthermore, the soft texture of the petals makes feeding easier for these insects. However, this behavior may cause concern among gardening enthusiasts and flower producers, as Macraspis cincta beetles can damage roses, leaving them looking worn and compromising their aesthetics. This conflict between the appreciation of the beauty of flowers and the need for nutrition of these beetles adds an interesting layer to their interaction with the urban environment. This peculiar feeding habit of Macraspis cincta beetles not only highlights their surprising adaptation to urban areas but also reminds us of the complexity and delicacy of interactions between species in nature. Did you know that Macraspis cincta beetles are capable of detecting the scent of roses from a considerable distance? This incredible olfactory ability is crucial for their survival and foraging in cities. Amidst concrete and pollution, these beetles have found ways to thrive, prompting us to question how cities are influencing populations of insects and plants. Although Macraspis cincta beetles may enjoy a relatively comfortable position at the top of the food chain due to their size and distinct coloration, they are not immune to the natural predators sharing their habitat. Among the main predators of Macraspis cincta beetles are insectivorous birds such as sparrows and starlings, attracted by the slow movements and bright colors of the beetles. Reptiles like lizards may also pose a threat, especially to individuals venturing on the ground in search of food. To defend themselves from these predators, Macraspis cincta beetles have developed some notable adaptations. Their bright coloration, ranging from green to gold, not only makes them visually appealing to potential mates but also serves as a warning to predators, signaling their toxicity or bad taste. Additionally, when threatened, these beetles can emit unpleasant chemicals or even play dead to avoid capture. These defensive strategies are crucial for the survival of Macraspis cincta beetles in their natural environment, where they are constantly exposed to a variety of threats. The evolution of these defense mechanisms highlights the incredible adaptation and resilience of these beetles in the face of challenges encountered in nature. The presence of Macraspis cincta beetles in urban areas has its advantages and disadvantages. On one hand, they aid in flower pollination, contributing to local biodiversity. On the other hand, their voracious appetite for roses can pose a challenge for gardeners and the floriculture industry. Balancing this relationship between nature and urbanization is an increasingly relevant issue today. In summary, Macraspis cincta beetles are fascinating creatures that have found their place in the hearts of cities. Their love for roses may be challenging, but it also reminds us of the incredible diversity of urban life. We hope you've enjoyed our exploration and invite you to join us in future adventures on nature and its interaction with the human world. Did you enjoy the content? Then don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos about animals, nature, and much more. And now, we want to hear from you. Have you had any experience with Macraspis cincta beetles in your city? Share with us in the comments below. Remember, in the web of life, every being has its role. Bio is life, bio web.